All right. I want to see what your ideas are. And yes, Keely, you can totally answer this stuff. I just wanted to kind of get an idea from the other people so that we're all participating. But you can totally answer this stuff. Okay. -3 minus 8 equals what? And I have a question for you. Before you throw out an answer, I want to ask you something. What did you think about adding integers? The stuff that we just did, the stuff that you folks were telling me, you're on a roll, don't stop. All right. Keely's already throwing out his answer 5. I want to know, what did you think about the stuff that we did before, the adding negative numbers, when we had add between two negative numbers? Was that hard or easy? Okay, wait, you're not answering my question. All right, Marin's the only one to answer my question. She thinks it's fun. Keely thinks it's easy. Justice is saying easy, like literally easy. It was easy. Paris has got an easy from her. Haha. Dawson is awesome. Okay, here's the thing. Here is the thing. All right, now I'm gonna throw it out there. What's the answer to this question? All right, I've got it even easy. All right, I've got a bunch of fives popping up. Five, 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 all that kind of stuff, right? And to be honest with you, don't feel bad, but it's wrong. This is wrong. No, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad. Can I show you something that will kind of make it okay? This is wrong. Can I show you something that will make it easier for me to understand? What I like to do when I see a minus sign, because this is -3. This negative is tied with that 3, and I'm cool with that. What I like to do when I see a minus sign is I kind of like to think of it as adding a negative number. Does that make sense? Do you see what I did? I took that minus sign right there and I added a negative number. I changed that subtraction sign into a plus negative sign. You see what I mean? Okay, and then what that kind of helped me understand was that that's 3 blue chips and 8 more blue chips. Do you see what I mean? Because this is -3 plus -8, which now Marin's throwing out there as -11. How is that? Was that confusing? Did I explain that better to you? What are your thoughts? Because everyone thought it was -5. This is correct. And I think that what you want to do is you want to, whenever you see a minus sign, what I like to do is add the negative sign. So for example, 2 minus 7. I know that you know how to do 2 minus 7. But what I think I like doing is I like going, hey, instead of minus, I'm going to add negative. And add negative is basically, that's 2 reds, because it's +2, and 7 blues. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And basically, in the end, these 2 reds get canceled out with 2 of the blues. And what are you left with? No, it's not -9. 5, close. 5 blue ones, so it's -5. Are we cool with that? Or if you want to think of 2 minus 7 as you start on the 2nd floor and you go 7 floors down, or you start 2 steps forward and you take 7 steps back, where are you? Yes, I totally wouldn't mind doing one of these problems again.